jungle laser, fry you with my laser!
Hey, Eggman, smile for the birdie.
Oh, they're picking my eyes! Why would I ever smile at this? Stop smiling! What are you doing? We should fight this way.
No, this way. The natural direction of the fight is taking us left.
Yes, we should go left. My left.
No, my left.
My left. You're right.
I know I'm right. We should go left. That's the right left.
That doesn't even make any sense. I'm okay.
Ah! I twisted my ankle.
I finally have you.
Tuckered out, Eggman? Have a taste of my spin dash. You just got spin dashed.
There's no other way in. Sonic's trapped.
That means Dr. Eggman's trapped too.
We're free! Free, I tells ya! I can buy a houseboat and live on it even though it's a boat!
And I can finally finish my memoirs. I've been told I'm a natural raconteur.
And I've been told I'm a neutral raccoon!
Well, we're sticking around to free Sonic. But until then, one of us needs to be in charge.
Good thinking, Amy. I'll be in charge.
You? I'm in charge.
I don't trust anyone in charge.
I know. Why don't we all be in charge?
No!
Ah, perfect. We're stuck here.
Correction. You're stuck here.
Catch you later, egg face.
Catch you later, egg face. That's you. That's what you sound like. Wait! I can hook the Eggmobile's tow cable to this floor tile, but it doesn't have enough power to pull it open.
I can pull your dumb Eggmobile across the room, if that's our only option.
Get in the hedgehog harness.
What? No way! If you tell anyone about this...
Mush! Mush!
I'm mushing! I'm mushing! Did we just cooperate?
Yep, and I got great photos.
Fine. If we can't decide who's in charge, we'll split up. Who wants to be on Team Amy?
Great. And who wants Knuckles to lead Team Amy?
Amy leads Team Amy. Knuckles leads Team Knuckles.
Wait, there's a Team Knuckles now?
Can I be on both teams?
No!
We all have to pick a side, Tails. Now, who's it gonna be? Amy?
Or Amy? I still don't get how this works.
Help! We can't be on our own!
All that freedom, too many choices.
This looks like a message written in the temple's lost language.
Ha! Congratulations! You are in the bowels of Buddy Buddy Temple. Enter as strangers, leave as best pals forever.
Follow the example of the Buddy Beavers to become true bosom buddy amigos.
I ain't interested in your bosom buddy.
Buddy Beavers. Pull your lever, Eggman! Let's do it together.
You were too beautiful to live. Let's go over it one more time. Who's leading us right now?
Me.
We're not getting anywhere like this. Maybe I should be in charge.
No!
Why would there be little holes in this wall? Maybe people put pennies in them.
Darts!
Get off me!
You're welcome.
Ah, my ankle! I think it's sprained. Oh, it's definitely sprained. Oh, it's twisted. Something fierce. Oh. About this morning, I'm sorry for, blasting you with all those lasers. I need to learn not to try to incinerate you all the time.
Thanks, I guess. We gotta hit these at the same time.
Ah, I can't believe you fell for the old sprained ankle act. I stole the idea from you. Ow, my ankle, I think it's sprained. Man, those improv classes are really paying off.
Oh, you eggs, Benedict Arnold!
So long, Hedgehog! Hope you don't find this turn of events crushing. Get it? Because you'll be crushed by the walls? They'll crush you? I'll explain it after you're crushed. Come on! Why would there be another door? I just opened one. Who even designed this temple? It's okay, Eggman. You got this. Just pull both levers. Stay down, levers. Stay down. I was so close. Hedgehog, hit your button. Let's go. Giddy up. Okay, I understand why you might be upset with me. We're bosom buddy amigos now. Give me a big smile.
Let's just get out of here before the roof caves in!
If I was in charge, we'd be in the temple already.
And if you were in charge, I'd be in the temple already.
Hello? Fellas?
You're so incompetent, you don't even know how to argue.
You're right. Most of the time, I'm very confused and just yell back things.
It doesn't matter who's leading. We're never getting into this. Ah!
Sonic, are you helping Eggman?
What? No. There's our way out!
An old minecart? We don't even know where it goes.
What, you want to stay here? Okay, ready? Lift.
Pump,
Lift!
pump,
Lift!
pump,
Lift!
pump,
Lift!
pump.
Lift! Up! Lift! Up! Lift!
Yes!
We're so happy you're back, boss!
We'll never desert you again.
You'll never what?
I mean, would you mind reading a draft of my memoirs?
Thank goodness we've got Sonic back again. Knuckles, I can't believe we squabbled like that.
Yeah, you were out of control.
I was out of control. You were being totally obstinate.
I don't know what obstinate means, but I refuse to learn.
You know, we actually made a pretty good team. It was almost like we were friends or something.
Yeah, like that would ever happen.
Catch you later, Eggface.
Not if I destroy you first.